Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to be doing a Bart Simpson nail art. I'll be using Young Nails gel paint, a pencil, and my Macart detail brush. I have on Prodip white dip powder that I mixed with diamond dust glitter. I did not apply any top coat like I usually do because I'm experimenting. Usually when I apply the top coat and then start drawing with my gel paint, I have to do a few layers of the black outline, and sometimes when using the gel paint you have to cure every few chances, or you run the risk of messing up the design if you happen to touch the wet gel paint. And sometimes if you cure the nail art, you realize that you could have done this part a little better, but it's already cured, so you can't undo it. So I'm experimenting with using a pencil to start the nail art. I'm not sure if this is the correct pencil, but I had it laying around there, so I thought I'd use it. So far it's cool, but I encountered a few disadvantages too. It's not that bad, but I have to use this method for a few more designs and work out the kinks and see what I can do differently. Anyway, this was my second time doing this nail art. The only thing is I don't know how to draw faces well, so this nail design didn't quite look like Bart Simpson, more like a distant cousin, but progress. We're making progress here. Let's not judge. When I was finished with the pencil, I traced over it with the black gel paint, but I didn't show that part, and it made it so much easier. And then I cured for 30 seconds. Then I'm using my eraser to remove the pencil markings. I would recommend waiting a minute or two to use the eraser because the gel paint can still bleed and mess up the design. Now it's time to color. I did the jersey in orange. I did one layer and cured for 30 seconds. So I was going to use Young Nails Sonic on the pants, but I didn't like how it looked. The color was a bit off, well, the shade of the blue was a bit off. So I took some Revel nail Bombshell and mixed it with some Modelones Gel Glue, and this is kind of like polygel, right? I think so, because it was kind of lumpy-ish, a little, just a little, when I applied it, but it worked out great. I did 2 layers and cured in between layers for 30 seconds. Then I did the hands and face in yellow. I did 2 layers of that. The face was the hardest thing to do. I'm really not good with faces yet, so that was tough. I went back in with the black gel paint to touch up certain areas and cure it for 30 seconds. Next, I'm applying some Modelones Matte Gel Top Coat to the nail and cure it for 30 seconds. So I forgot to apply my cuticle oil or even my outro video. So this is the outro video, okay guys, I'm sorry. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.